The 10 rarest animals of Australia. In the vast and diverse continent of Australia, wildlife takes on unimaginable forms. Get ready to delve into a world where oddity is the norm, and uniqueness is the key. On this journey, you'll discover unique and astonishing creatures that defy expectations, from strange marine species to curious terrestrial inhabitants. Number 10. Golden Silk Orb Weaver Spider. The golden silk orb weaver spider is a fascinating arachnid distinguished by its imposing appearance and golden silk webs, a natural marvel that adorns the forests and jungles of Australia. This species is one of the largest weaving spiders on the continent, with females reaching notable sizes, exceeding 10 centimeters in wingspan. Its name comes from the golden and robust silk it uses to weave large webs, with a golden sheen that dazzles those fortunate enough to see them in the sunlight. These webs not only serve as traps to capture prey but also as shelter for the spider and its offspring. The golden silk orb weaver spider has distinctive colors. Females typically exhibit golden and silver tones on their abdomens, while males are smaller and tend toward darker hues. Its anatomy and weaving technique make this spider a unique visual spectacle in nature. Number 9. Long-beaked echidna. The long-beaked echidna is a fascinating creature that inhabits the dense jungles and forests of Australia and New Guinea. With its peculiar appearance, it is one of the most unique mammals in existence. This curious animal is distinguished by its elongated and pointed beak, resembling a combination of a trunk and a bill. This unique structure allows it to probe the ground in search of its preferred food, insect larvae and worms. Its long and sticky tongue, similar to that of an anteater, makes it easy to catch prey. Despite its appearance, the long-beaked echidna is a solitary and rather shy animal. It prefers to spend most of its time digging burrows in the ground for rest or protection from extreme heat or inclement weather. Number 8. Tasmanian Devil. The Tasmanian Devil, a unique and iconic creature of Australia, is a carnivorous marsupial that captivates with its peculiarity. Known for its strength, ferocity, and guttural cries, this marsupial stands out as an impressive predator in its native habitat, despite its moderate size. With its distinctive black fur, pointed ears, and powerful jaw, the Tasmanian Devil displays a formidable presence. Although its appearance may command respect, its social behavior is equally interesting. It often gathers in small social groups, although its solitary nature prevails during hunting and foraging. Its varied diet includes carrion, insects, birds, reptiles, and small mammals, making it an important link in the food chain of its ecosystem. Furthermore, its bite is one of the most powerful relative to its body size, making it a formidable competitor for food. Number 7. Kakapo. The kakapo, a nocturnal and terrestrial bird, stands out as one of the most unique species inhabiting the lands of Australia. With its peculiar appearance and calm nature, this ground parrot distinguishes itself among birds for its rarity and unusual charm. The kakapo moves with graceful slowness across the floors of the native forests of New Zealand, attracting attention with its fluffy plumage and earthy tones sprinkled with green. Its calm and nocturnal nature makes it a mysterious inhabitant of the forest realms, where it finds its home amid dense vegetation. The most surprising aspect of this bird is its size. It is one of the largest parrots globally, with a wingspan that can reach up to 60 centimeters and a weight that can hover around 4 kilograms. Its wings are not particularly strong for flight, so the kakapo has evolved to develop terrestrial skills, using its robust legs to move and its wings to maintain balance. Number 6. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile, known as the king of reptiles and one of the most formidable predators, dominates the wetlands and rivers of northern Australia with its imposing presence. This prehistoric colossus, scientifically named Crocodylus porosus, is a true testament to adaptation and ferocity. Known for its massive size, it can reach lengths of up to 7 meters or more and weigh more than a ton. Its powerful jaws, filled with razor-sharp teeth, are a lethal tool it uses for hunting. What makes it even more formidable is its vision, which stands out as one of the sharpest among reptiles. Its eyes, strategically positioned on the top of its head, are large and allow exceptionally sharp vision. This visual acuity is crucial for stalking prey in murky water and detecting movements even in the darkness of the night. This perceptual ability is an essential component of its success as the supreme predator in its habitat. Number 5. Frilled neck lizard. The frilled neck lizard is an astonishing creature that inhabits the vast Australian lands. This unique reptile gets its name from the membrane of skin that unfurls around its neck when it feels threatened, forming a kind of collar that gives it a unique and fascinating appearance. This lizard, also known as the frilled dragon, for its characteristic look, is famous for being one of the most unusual and striking animals in Australia. Its slender and elongated body, covered in colorful scales, allows it to efficiently blend into the Australian vegetation, but it's its distinctive behavior that makes it a true wonder of nature. One of the standout features of this lizard is its sharp vision. Its eyes, large and round, are perfectly adapted to detect movements even at long distances. This acute vision gives it a significant advantage when hunting insects, small vertebrates, and other prey that make up its diet. Additionally, its ability to perceive the environment helps it avoid predators and respond quickly to any potential threat. Number 4. Freshwater dolphin. The freshwater dolphin is a fascinating creature that stands out among the inhabitants of Australian waters for its rarity and uniqueness. Although its name suggests its presence in Australia, these dolphins are found in various locations in Asia and northern Australia, especially in rivers and shallow coastal areas. Its appearance is distinct from its marine cousins. They have a rounded and distinctive head, with a bulging forehead and a gently curved snout. Their fins also differ, being wider and rounder compared to the sharp fins of oceanic dolphins. This adaptation allows them to maneuver with agility in rivers and estuaries. Most notably, their ability to adapt to lower salinity waters allows them to inhabit freshwater rivers, a rarity among dolphins. Their behavior is curious and friendly, often seen interacting with boats and local fishermen, leading to a special connection between these dolphins and the communities that share their habitat. Number 3. Tree kangaroo. Tree kangaroos are truly unique creatures that inhabit the dense forests of northeastern Australia. Unlike their terrestrial relatives, these marsupials possess astonishing adaptations that set them apart in the animal kingdom. Their name already suggests their peculiarity. They are kangaroos, but instead of living in open plains, they navigate through the branches and leaves of trees. With an agile and slender build, tree kangaroos can move with dexterity through the treetops, thanks to their long limbs and strong claws, adapted for gripping and climbing. Their dense and soft fur, ranging in shades from gray to red, provides effective camouflage among Australian vegetation, but their most fascinating trait is their ability to jump from tree to tree, using their prehensile tail to maintain balance while moving. This tail, similar to that of a monkey, grants them impressive agility and allows them to move with ease through the branches, even jumping distances of up to 9 meters between trees. Number 2. Short-beaked echidna. The short-beaked echidna, a unique resident of Australia, represents an evolutionary marvel in the animal kingdom. Known for its strange appearance and unique mix of features, this monotreme mammal fascinates those who have the privilege of encountering it. Its appearance is a mix of peculiarities: a body covered in spines, a flattened snout, and a small size that makes it stand out among Australia's native species. Alongside the platypus, these spiny mammals are the only living monotremes, meaning they lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. Its main distinctive feature, its short and curved snout, is equipped with small nasal openings that allow it to sniff the world around it for food. This extraordinary sense of smell is crucial for its survival, as the short-beaked echidna primarily feeds on ants and termites, using its sticky tongue to capture its prey. Number 1. Platypus. The platypus, that Australian wonder, arouses the curiosity of scientists and admirers alike. This unique creature amalgamates traits that defy the norms of nature. With an appearance that seems taken from a fantastic tale, the platypus combines features of mammals, birds, and reptiles in an extraordinary mix. Its body, covered by soft and dense fur, possesses an unusual peculiarity. It has a bill similar to that of a duck. This bill is not merely ornamental. It's a skillful tool it uses to search for food in riverbeds and streams. Endowed with acute sight and hearing, along with electric receptors in its bill, the platypus tracks prey, from insects to small crustaceans, by detecting the electrical signals they emit. But its strangeness doesn't stop there. Despite being a mammal, the female platypus lays eggs, breaking with the tradition of most mammals that give birth to live young. They incubate these eggs in burrows dug along riverbanks, protecting them until they hatch.